Hello you guys. So in this video I just want to show you how to collect the paint so that you could put it on this little glass piece to make some jewelry. So this is just one of the pourings I just did, and I just want to dip it in there to collect it to create jewelry. So let's give it a try. So you just put it directly down in the paint, and I let it sit after I've put it in the paint. You can clean off your edges that the paint is on. I don't even think I got that on the camera. Let me try another one. Okay, so let's try this again. This is the glass piece, and I'm just going to dip it in the paint so that I could get an image so that I could make some jewelry from it. So I'm just going to dip it in the paint and just make sure that you get the whole thing covered. And it's wet right now, so I just turn it upside down to let it dry. And you can also collect the skins so that you can attach the skins and create the jewelry from the skins. But I will be showing you that next. I have to let this dry. I do have some other skins, and I can show you from those skins. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back. This is what I mean when I say skins. So this is just a dried paint. And once it dries, you can just peel it off this mat here. And you can use it to create these, which is, they call them skins. So I was doing this wrong at first. I was trying to take this and I was trying to, put it in here to get the size and cut it from like that. That is hard. That's not a good way to do it. The way that I learned for me to do it, which is easier, is just to take the glass piece that you put on top. Okay, turn it upside down. Put your piece on there facing the way that it will be on there. And I've already pre-cut this piece, and just go around the glass piece and cut around this edge until you get the shape of this one, of the piece that you're using, whatever piece that you're using, right? See how that looks? This is what it would look like. Okay, so you just get that image the way you like it. And then what you can do, once you get it on here, you will have to glue it on here, okay? So take some glue, whatever glue you use. I'm currently using that diamond glaze to put it on here. And I've found that it works. However, and it's just me, maybe it's just me. For me, I've seen that the best way is the other way, where I've dipped it in the paint, because you don't have to worry about gluing it. So, but you can take this and glue it to here. Okay, once you glue it to here and it dries, you put some of the glaze in here or whatever glue you're using, okay? And you put it down, and it just goes right in here just like that. And it just goes, I'm not going to put it all the way in, but it just goes in here. And then you take your necklace part and put it on there, and you have a necklace. So that's awesome, isn't it? So I just wanted to show you guys that I have some other pieces that I did. I wanted to show you these. These are just some of the pieces that I've done, made into jewelry. That one dropped off. So as you can see, it's just from some of the paintings that I did. And that's just some of them. So I just made them into jewelry. All of them are not from paintings, but mostly all of them are. So all of them are skins except the one with the initial. And then this one. It's not all of them. I have some more. But that's the majority of them. Also, let me show you these other two that I did that are not skins. I wanted to show you this as well. And this is not a skin. This is a custom piece I did as an acrylic pour. And it's on a wood round. So as you can see, it has a lot of glimmer. shine. It's just like the coasters almost, or I guess any painting that you put resin on. The front has resin, and then the back just has the diamond glaze on the back. And then I want to show you this other one. This is the other one that I did. Shining beautiful. There's the back on that one. And then these are just a custom acrylic pour on wooden round. For the front, I put resin on it. And in the back, I just sealed with the diamond glaze. So everything is not on Etsy. Those last two pieces are that I did on the wooden rounds. They're on Etsy. The other little jewelry that I made, they're not on Etsy yet. I'll be placing them on Etsy. But if you're interested in any of them, go to my Etsy shop at etsy.com/shop/creative designs by YR. Also, you can email me directly at creativedesignsbyyr@gmail.com if you see something that you're interested in, because everything is not on Etsy. It just takes a long time to post on Etsy, so everything is not on there. Also, please, guys, remember to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell so that you receive the notifications when I post my videos. It'll let you know the new videos that come out. And if you would like to make any donations to the channel, you can send it to my PayPal. I have a link that's going to be at the bottom of the video so that I can continue to make these videos and get supplies and everything. And just enjoy watching the videos. I appreciate comments. Please leave me comments and suggestions so that I could, respond to you guys. I love the comments, you guys. And have an awesome day. I'll see you the next time.